YouTube, what it do, man? This is Life with Nate, and it's your boy Nate Just Dope, back with another video. And JD Nation was on with it, man. Today's video, y'all can see by the title. Like I said in my previous video, I will be doing like Forex related videos, you know what I'm saying? So this video is actually going to be, you know, me explaining support and resistance, you feel me? So I know a lot of people, especially when I came in, I heard a lot of things about support and resistance, a lot of vocabulary that I wasn't really familiar with. So for all of my beginners out there that are just getting into Forex and don't really understand support and resistance, hopefully this video will make it a whole lot more simpler for you. But yeah, man, with that being said, let's go ahead and dive right into it because it's not gonna be a long video at all. Just want to give you guys a little like simple breakdown of support and resistance. All right, so I'm gonna start off with support. All right, so support, I want you to think of like a floor. All right, so you have to walk on the floor. That's to support you up. All right, so that you don't go down. All right, so if let's say support went away, you would fall. All right, that's basically support. So it's supporting you up. All right, and let's think of like if we had like a steel floor or something like that, and it's going to be hard to penetrate that, to break through that. So in order to break through it, you have to put some type of real like strong force to like break through. All right, so that's your support. It's basically supporting you up. All right, so now resistance, let's think of that as your ceiling. All right, just like we have the ceiling in the house, so with your ceiling, it's going to be hard to break through going up. Now, if you break through going up, you're going to continue to go up. Just like, let's say if we have like a little ball, right? This is your support, your resistance, all right? And you have a ball bouncing in between, up and down, up and down. That's something that the market does called consolidation, right? It just goes into sideways motion, not going up or down. It's just staying in that little box or that little area, bouncing up and down, up and down. All right, so that's kind of like the verbal explanation of it. Now I'm gonna just show you visually, because me personally, I am a visual learner, you feel me? So I'm gonna just show you guys visually because I know we have some visual learners out there. Matter of fact, let me do let me do black. You feel me? All right, so this is your resistance, I'm gonna put R, and this is your support, I'm gonna put S. In between this, let me get my blue marker real quick because I was planning on using this. But with your support and resistance, right, you have candlestick. All right, hopefully y'all can see that. No, y'all can't. Hold up 1 second. All right, so hopefully y'all can see that. I'm not gonna use a different color marker. But anyway, I'm gonna just do this real quick. These are some terrible candlesticks, but I'm just doing this for an example purpose only. All right, so I'm gonna put R for resistance, S for support. All right, and then also I'm gonna put in parentheses ceiling. Did I spell that right? Forget it, right? And I'm gonna put floor. Don't mind my handwriting, it is trash. All right, but boom. All right, so you have that. This is what I mean by consolidation. Consolidation. So cool, when you're looking at it and talking about it going up to resistance, you don't want it to break above this. It's basically resisting you from continuing to go up. And then support is supporting you for you to not go down. So if you were to break this support, you're gonna continue to go down. All right, same thing vice versa. If you were to break your resistance, you will continue to go up, because the market moves in 3 directions, right? Up, down, and sideways. This whole move right here is called consolidation, right? Consolidation. Then of course, when you're going down, it's called sell. And then when you're going up, it's called buying or buy, all right? So hopefully that makes sense. Now what I want to do now is just transition to the computer so I can show you guys like in the market. All right, so it's gonna be real quick, real short and sweet, to the point. All right, let's go. All right, so we are on the computer. Now I'm gonna show you guys using vibrato or web analyzer. This is what I like to use because I'm part of IM. If you're part of IM and you like to use the harmonic scanner, you can do that. If you like to use levels is a real easy one too. Or let's say pivots is perfect too. All right, but me personally, I like vibrato. You know what I'm saying? That's just my bread and butter. All right, but even if you're not a part of IM, or you know, not even with a company, you can use TradingView. All right, TradingView is real simple. All right, but let's go ahead and dive right into it though. I don't want to hold y'all up too long. Sign in. Boom. Make sure that, there we go. Wow. Okay. Let me just, yo, they be wildin'. All right, sign in. Cool. Yes, sir. All right, bet. So when it comes to support and resistance, same thing, just like I was talking about with the board. I'm gonna show you guys with the market, right? So a live example in the market. All right. So I like to go to the 4-hour time frame to see the overall view of what's going on, and then kind of like a top down analysis. All right. So let's see. I don't even like USDJPY. I don't even know why I'm on here. Let's see. GU. Okay, cool. This is perfect. All right. So, oh yeah. Okay, cool. Yeah. All right, bet. So when you're looking at support and resistance, all right, you're looking at where the market has been previously, right? In the market, you want to look at where the market has already been, like many times before. All right. So if we look at this little area right here, and it's no specific area because everybody looks at the market differently. All right. But let's say, boom, like I see this right here. This is the highest it's been currently. So I'm gonna put my little horizontal line right here. All right. Because you see it come up to this area and touch it a lot of times, and it's respecting this area. This is your resistance. All right. So boom, you have them right here, boom, right here, right here, right here. It went past it, but then it never went right. It never broke and closed above. All right. So it's respecting this area. All right. And then if you go back some more, you'll see the same thing. If we do have an area back here where it did come back and touch it. Let's see. No. Okay, cool. So right now, this is the highest it's been, but as you see, it's continuously coming to this area. So there has to be something going on right here, right? There's something has to be going on, right? Buyers is coming up here, and then sellers is coming right back and snatching it down. All right. Now with your support, same thing, right? You're looking for those common areas, right? So I see one right here. Boom. All right, because look, boom, tap, 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 tap. All right, and then you see it acted as a resistance right here, but then it broke, closed, right, and then broke, and then continued up for a quick little buy. All right, but then it came back down, respected this area, went back up to your resistance. All right, stayed up here for a little bit, and then boom, back down, touched again, boom. All right, so this is like right, a real good example of consolidation, right? It's going up and down, bouncing. It's kind of like that game of what's the game? What's that little ball game where you have to take the line and make sure the ball hit it and then it come back down, and then what I'm talking about. It's kind of like that. All right, so you're just playing that little game right here. All right, and then once you break that area, right? Once you break it, then your market closes, right? Just like right here. Boom. This acted at the same thing again, right? But then it went up, came back down, all right? Then it broke past it, all right? And then it closed below your support. And then, so what it did, it just sold real quick, all right? And then you can do the same thing right here. Boom. Whoa, all right. Wow. Let's see. Boom. Let's go back, all right? You can see it's doing the same thing, right? Right? Support, resistance right here. Support and resistance is acting as both. All right. Support, support, support. So it's respecting their area, right? Support. It broke, closed, sold, came back up. Resistance, resistance, broke, closed above, buy. All right. Respect it right here. Broke above, closed, all right, and then it went for a quick little buy. So, and this is one area right here too. So, and there's no right or wrong, right? It just depends on what you see in the market, right? Everybody looks at the market differently, right? You may see something that I'm not seeing right now, and then you can say that, all right, cool, I see this. You may not see it, right, Nate? You may not see it, but I see it, all right? It's kind of like tying your shoe, right? Everybody ties their shoe differently. Everybody eats differently. Everybody uses the bathroom differently, right? I don't know why I said that, but boom. All right, so let's go down to your hour time frame real quick. All right, and as y'all see, Y'all see what's going on? All right. I'm letting y'all know right now, I'm no master trader. I'm just noticing what's going on in the market. I don't claim to be a master trader at all. This is just what I'm seeing. All right. And you want to trade what you see and not what you feel. All right. You want to trade what you see and not what you feel. Shout out to Luke for that. All right. But as y'all see what's going on. All right. Boom, boom, broke above, close, boom. And then guess what? It acted as a broom. Wow, I said broom. Right? It acted as a break, retest, continuation. All right. That's some sauce for another day. I'm not going to give too much sauce right now. Right? But that's basically what support and resistance is, right? And like I said, everybody looks at the market differently. Like somebody that's a really big master trader in the markets, they can see something totally different than me, right? It's all about perception though, or perspective. Wow. Yeah, perspective. I'm using all the wrong words. All right. But that is it though. That is it. So hopefully this video made it a little bit more simpler for you to understand what support and resistance is, right? All you're doing is just looking for those common zones, those common areas, right? There's no specific, there's no specific area. Like there's no specific price that you're looking for. It's just an area, all right, that you're looking for. And when you see it come to that area and you see that it's respecting a certain area, that's going to be your support or resistance, depending on if it's above or below what you're looking at. All right. So hopefully that explains a lot of things to you. You know what I'm saying? And if you go down to your smaller time frames, you can see a little bit more what's going on. All right. Let me go to the 15-minute. I like to look at my 15-minute time frame to catch my entries. All right. Just like this area right here, you could, yo, this right here is my sweat. I'm just playing. But yeah, so as y'all see, we could see a live, we probably can see a live example right now. If it does do us the right way. If not, cool. But yeah, man, that's pretty much it. So hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Look, if you're new, you like what you see, go down and hit the subscribe button. And once you do that, hit the bell so y'all can be notified when I drop new videos, because they will drop randomly, like I always say. Like I said, I don't claim to be a master trader at all. I'm just somebody that has learned how to look at these things, notice them, and then pick up on them real quick. All right. So yeah. Go ahead and follow my other, subscribe to my other channels, my Nate Just Dope channel, and also my Watch with Nate channel, man, so y'all can keep up with all the content that I post on YouTube. But yeah, man, with that being said, it's your boy, Nate Just Dope, signing out. Deuces. I'm off this one.